Hello there. Today I'd like to review the Manscaped 5-piece men's nail grooming kit. Fantastic little kit to look after all of your nail care needs. Let's have a closer look. The Manscaped 5-piece precision men's nail grooming kit is a top-notch grooming kit that caters to all your nail care needs. This 5-piece set includes high-quality tools, each designed to deliver professional results. Each tool is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. Each tool is also crafted for accuracy, making nail grooming easy and effective. The tools come in a sleek, compact carrying case, perfect for travel or home use. The tools include nail clippers, scissors, tweezers, and a nail file and cuticle pusher, covering all aspects of nail care. Each tool is elegantly and ergonomically designed for comfortable handling. Well, there you have it. The Manscaped Precision Men's Nail Grooming Kit. A top-notch kit that can look after all of your nail care needs. Hope you enjoy it.